Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I am super excited. I was just sent this cool laptop. I mean, this thing is really slick. It was packaged extremely well, had nice protective coating on everything, opens up really well. I want to kind of show you what all came with the package here. You do have your DC charging. You do have your charging for this cool wireless mouse. This thing is slick because it actually matches this purple. It's a great lavender looking color. This would make a fantastic gift, especially for somebody going off to college. They do send you with a nice bookmark as well as an instruction guide and this really cool tips and tricks sheet that they send along with that, which is nice and laminated for you to hang on to, and actually a really nice mouse pad. This is actually a very cool mouse pad too. So that's actually got everything that you're going to need to get started. This does come fully equipped with Windows 11 Pro, which means that's actually going to have all of your normal business suite accents on there. So that's going to be great. This opens up very easily, can open up a full 180 degrees, which is great. We're going to go ahead and turn this on by pressing the power button. Hold that on for a second. This is going to come on. Now this thing boots up really quickly. I'm really impressed with this, and there's a lot of nice features I kind of want to burn through just real quick. One is this fingerprint scanner built into this trackpad, so you can use the trackpad to maneuver around on the screen. And it does have a backlit display keyboard. So these are actually a backlit display that is on there as well. So that is a really nice feature to have. On here, that's how quick this boots up. You have all of your features, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, your usual Google Chrome, anything that you need to do to work productivity with business, your PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams. Everything is loaded on there really nice. This wireless mouse, extremely lightweight and rechargeable, actually has in the bottom the USB port for this, and you've actually got a couple of those. You've got one on this side and one on the other side, as well as some auxiliary ports and a headphone port. And in this other side over here, you're going to have another USB-A port, as well as your DC charging port on that side as well. So once that is activated, just going to turn on your mouse. Now your mouse actually can activate and run anything up from Microsoft Teams. You can sign in with that. Everything seems really responsive. The picture display on this is extremely crisp. This is a 1920 by 1200 display. It's a full high-def display. So the picture quality is absolutely fantastic on this. You can also change these backlit keys. These keys are almost have like a rubberized texture to them. It feels very nice under your hands. You can simply hit the function button and this little key right here, and you can change them for a rainbow color. You can just set them on a static color if you want to have just red, green, blue, or have it be purple to match the laptop, which is, I think, is really slick. You can also turn that off. So all of your functioning display is able to brighten, darken the screen. You've got a built-in camera up here. So again, using this for business is one thing. You could easily send it off to someone for college. Very lightweight, very easy to operate, and very comfortable. Does have built-in speakers and nice rubberized pad on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around. And it's even got some little adjustable feet on the bottom that you can pop up if you need it to be propped up just a little bit. Maybe you're going to have it sitting there in your bed and you're going to be using something for that. So all in all, this nice 2 terabyte hard drive device is absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys so much for sending this. This is going to be a great gift for anyone heading off to school.